What's up guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna teach you a tag. It's gonna be fairly short, fairly simple. It's a tag I covered in an earlier video, Though You're Gone, I Love You Still, but I thought I might do a tutorial as well. So if you already know the tag, you can go ahead and skip to the finished tag to sort of sing along to that one. But if you want to learn the parts, stick around. The tag has this cool key change type thing in the middle of the tag, so using numbers or solfege isn't going to be that helpful in my opinion. But regardless, I'm going to just go through each part individually. We are going to start with the lead. The key is in D. You can pick any key that works for your ensemble, of course. Though you're gone, I love you still. I love you. The bass sounds like this. Though you're gone, I love you still. I love you. The baritone sounds like this. Though you're gone, I love you still. I love you. And the tenor sounds like this. Though you're gone, I love you still. I love you. So that last bit is super tricky isolated, but in context it makes sense. It's actually just the classic tenor barbershop move from flat 3 to 2 to 3. I love you. That's all the parts, and we're gonna go ahead and just listen to the full tag. Here we go. Though you're gone, I love you still. I love you. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like if you did so. Comment down below what you think of this tag. Was it a good tag? A bad tag? You decide. Also, let me know down in the comments if you would like me to do more tag tutorials like this one in the future. That's it. Catch you in the next video. See ya!